أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين، سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر، روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء. أما بعد، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. Right. So after this lesson itself is a very important lesson. Um, it's going to teach us how to make sentences using an. So the particle an, it comes in the meaning of to. For example, if you look over here now, urido, as everyone knows, means what? Urido means
I want.
want.
I want.
Yeah, I want. Now, the verb adhabu with a dhamma, the last letter, means I am going. Okay? Adhabu means I am going. Now, what happens? the alif and the noon with a sukoon, it comes in front of the present tense verb adhabu. And this verb, adhabu, and the verb uridu, comes in the same form itself. So, uridu and adhabu, same form, speaker. But however, when an comes, the harakat of the last letter, the ba, it changes from a dhamma to a fatha. And now, when we say uridu an adhaba, an gives the meaning of the infinitive or the masdar, meaning that it gives the meaning of the word rather than meaning of he or she or I. So uridu an adhaba, the translation would be I want. It says I want that go. I wouldn't translate it that way. I would translate I would like to go. I would like to. So you translate this an adhaba in the meaning, instead of saying uridu adhabu, I am wanting, I am going. That is, the translation doesn't make sound correct. The better translation for this, when an comes, you bring to. I want to go. For example, I want to eat. I want to sleep. So you always bring a verb, uridu, I want, and then you bring an. And if the present tense verb is a singular, like adhabu, nadhabu, yadhabu, tadhabu, the singular verb, first letter, the last letter from a dhamma will change to a fatha. Let me give you some more examples. Sister Sadiqa, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Bismillah, Sister Sadiqa, come on the mic, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. How was your holiday?
Yeah, it was good but tiring.
Tiring, okay. No problem. So over here, it says aturido. So when you said aturido, means do you want? Aturido means do you want? Now, ignore an. The word ta'kulu, if I put a lam has a dhamma, ta'kulu means what?
To eat.
You eat. Ta'kulu, you eat. And
You
I am
eat.
eating, a'kulu.
Kulu.
Yeah, a'kulu, I am eating. Ta'kulu, you, one person. And if it's a female, then it will be ta'kulina. Ta'kulina. Now, if you see the translation here, do you want to eat? So when you want to ask a question to a boy in front of you or a male in front of you, this is how you construct a sentence. Aturidu an ta'kula. Aturidu an ta'kula. So you could see now the last letter of the present tense verb from ta'kulu has become ta'kula. In other words, an is a particle which enters present tense, and all of the singular verbs, he, she, you, I, and we, the singular verbs, the last letter will change from a dhamma to a fatha, and it will come an ta'kula, which means to eat. If you said ta'kulu by itself, means you are eating. But when it comes with an, it comes in meaning to eat. Does that make some sense?
Yeah, it's in present, isn't it? All
Yes.
present verbs.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Both of them are present tense.
Okay.
Is this clear so far?
Yes, thank you.
Yes? Come on the mic,
Yes.
sister. I'm going to ask you another question now.
Yeah.
At the moment, aturidu an ta'kula means do you want to eat?
Yes.
Change this now. Say that I want to eat fish. I want. Remove the alif. And the alif is for istif'am. Uridu. So what do you need to? Turidu will become uridu. I want to eat fish. How would you say that?
Uridu an akula.
Akula. Yeah, lam. Excellent. Uridu an akula. How do you say fish in Arabic?
Fish.
Samak.
Samaki.
Yeah, samak. Uridu an akula as-samak. Excellent. I have one more question for you because you've been away for a few lessons. He wants to eat bread. He wants to eat bread. The reason why I'm teaching you this in a different way, I just want to give you more practice, so that when you do the lesson, you become much more familiar. He wants to eat. He wants to eat bread. Huwa?
Huwa yakulu.
No, yurido. Not turido, yurido.
Huwa yuridu an yakula
Al-khubza.
khubza.
Al-khubza. Excellent. Huwa yuridu an yakula al-khubza. Sister Ismat, come on the mic now. Bismillah. The reason why the verb I'm practicing uridu nuridu is such an important verb that you use this for many of your sentences when you're out and about. I want this, I want to do this, and so forth. I want you to say, we want to go to school. Sorry, this is a bit, let me do this first. We want to eat in the restaurant.
We want to eat, so nuridu.
We want to eat. Yeah, nuridu.
An akula.
No, not akula. Change the alif to a noon. Because it's
yes. Nuridu an nakula. An nakulu.
An akula in the restaurant.
An nakula or nakulu?
أريد أن أكل في المطعم.
مطعم. Yeah, ta'am.
Yeah, ta'am. Mat'am is restaurant.
Yes,
أريد أن أكل في المطعم. I want you to say now, she wants to eat chicken. She wants to eat chicken.
Okay. Turid.
Yeah, this remains the same because anta and hiya verbs are exactly the same. So this remains the same. So remains turidu.
Turidu an ta'kula.
Ta'kula.
Ta'kula. Apula is
chicken is the judge.
The judge is the judge. I should remember.
The jaja.
The judge.
Okay, excellent. Next person I'm going to ask. Any questions, Sister Ismat?
So far, so good.
Good. Okay, that's brilliant.
Yeah, thank
Next
you.
person, Sister Batul, come on the mic, please.
Yes.
I want you to say, the first sentence, aturidu an ta'kula, I want you to change this from masculine to female. Do you want to eat to a female? So anti. Okay. At the moment, aturidu is anta. I want you to change that to female. Do you want to eat something?
Okay. So aturidina.
Excellent. Aturidina.
An ta'kulina.
Excellent. I like you. Sister Munira, can you correct her, please?
Ta'akuli. Take out the noon.
Yeah.
Because of the an, take out the noon.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Aturidun,
yeah, that's correct.
aturidi.
Yeah. So
Ta'akuli.
Okay.
so the noon has to be
So it
dropped.
will be takuli.
Yeah,
Okay.
ta'kuli.
then
Like
drop
in the
the
command, like in the
Uh-huh.
command, it becomes
Okay.
idrib, idriba, idribu. Instead of idribina, the noon is dropped. It becomes idribi. Same thing happens here.
Okay. Okay.
The
For
noon
the
is
female.
This is because of an. Because
Yes.
of an, we drop
Correct.
noon.
Correct. So aturidi,
Dina,
an
Dina,
ta'kuli,
and takuli. Okay.
something.
Shay'an. Yeah.
Shay'an.
Shay'an.
Excellent. Ahsanti. I want you to ask the next question. They all boys want to eat in the restaurant. They all boys want to eat in the restaurant.
Okay. So
Hum.
هم
Yeah.
هم تأكلون.
No, they.
Sorry.
Yuridu,
Sorry.
yuridani.
So هم يأكلون.
No, change the whole sentence. They want to eat in the restaurant. So
هم
change the
يأكل
word turidu to hum.
هم يريدون. Sorry. هم يريدون. هم يريدون
correct?
أن تأكلوا.
No, they want to eat.
So it will be
So change the takulu to hum as well. Change the ta to a ya.
هم يأكلون. أن يأكلون.
Now also remember this.
في المطعم.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me remind this point. Write this down as well.
Yes.
In the dual and the plural masculines, in the dual and all the plural masculines, the noon will also be dropped. The dual and the plural masculines, when an comes in front of the present tense, the noons will be omitted. So that's the reason why I'm doing this exercise with yourself. I'll give you a practice and then I'll give you handouts.
So it will be like هم يريدون أن
يأكلوا.
يأكلوا.
Yeah, instead of يأكلون, drop the noon and
Yes. يأكلوا. Okay, got it.
and يأكلوا في
Yeah.
المطعم.
في المطعم. في
في
المطعم.
المطعم.
Yeah.
Okay, next I'll have one more question for you. I want you now to do the opposite now. Instead of they boys, I want you to say they all females. And when you do they all females, the noon in the plural feminine will remain. It will not be removed.
Okay.
So hunna
هن يريدن
yuridna an
أن يأكلن
hunna yuridna an yakulna fil.
في المطعم.
Excellent. How is everyone finding this exercise so far?
Good. Got it now.
Sister Akila, this is a continuation for you from the previous lesson. This is probably a good top up for you.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah? Brilliant. Okay, now as you're on the mic, come on the mic now. Bismillah.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What do you want to drink? So here now, present tense is coming. Tashrabu. An is coming in front of present tense. An is called the particle of nasiba. Nasiba meaning that all of the present tense verb, as long as they are indicating for he, she, you, I, and we, the last letter of the verb will change from a dhamma to a fatha. Tashrabu now has become an tashraba. So you're talking to who? When you say what do you want to drink, who is this person you're talking to? Mada turidu an tashraba. Who is this person? Is it a male or a female?
A male.
Exactly. I want you to change. I want you to change this now. Mada turidu an tashraba. What do you want to drink? I want you to say what does he want to drink?
Okay.
Mada.
Maza yuridu
Correct.
an yashraba.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. are you getting are you getting somewhere now with Arabic?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Okay, brilliant. Because you could see the transition from book 3 where I think Sister Farwa asked on Monday the question, how do you say I want? In the book 3 we did only uridu, but in here now we're doing the sentence constructions.
Yeah.
Excuse
Right.
me, sir. Excuse me, sir. If it's like feminine, like it will be like Mada turidina and no, turidina and tashrabina.
Yes,
What will it be like
correct,
for female?
this is
And
what
tashrabina.
so be mada
Uh-huh.
turidina. The word is, if you want to say you, one female is drinking, is
Yeah.
tashrabina. So
Tashrabina.
tashrabina, the noon will
Mhm.
have to be dropped because of an
Okay.
is adat nasiba. So the noon gets dropped.
Tashrabi.
Exactly. Mada
Okay.
turidina and tashrabi.
Okay. So for female, the tashrabina, even the noon will drop
Yes.
for female also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Sister Akila, how do you say, what do we want to drink? Give me another drink then.
Maza nuridu
Mada nurido.
an nashraba.
Mada nurido and nashraba. Excellent. I want you to say, what do they all females want to drink? So in this one here, the verb after an, the noon in the present tense will remain. What? How do you say in Arabic? First of all, they all females are drinking. How do you say that?
Yashrab
Correct.
yashrabina
Yashrabna.
yashrabna.
Yeah, yashrabna. So now complete the sentence from the beginning. What do they all want to drink? Mada
Maza yash
yuridna.
maza yuridna
Yep.
an tashrabna.
And no, they, not tashrabna. Tashrabna is you all females. We're talking about the third person.
Tashrabina.
No, third person. As you said the verb yashrabna. Mada yuridna an yashrabna. Mada
Okay. Maza yuridna an
an
tashrabna.
yashrabna. Okay, one
Yashrab.
second. Give me 1 second. Let me do something else. I want you to just practice something else before I move forward. Just give me 1 second. So let's practice this first. Arada. Bismillah. This one here. This is the past tense. Arada. Arada, he wanted or he desired. Sister Alkira, go ahead.
Arada huwa arada yuridu.
No, do the past tense. Arada, aradu.
Okay. Huwa arada, huma arada, hum aradu, hiya
Aradat.
aradat, huma aradata, hunna aradna, anta aradta, antuma aradtuma, antum aradtum, anti aradti, antuma aradtuma, antunna aradtunna, ana aradna. And the last one, sorry. No, sorry.
Nahnu. Nahnu.
Nahnu aradna.
Nahnu aradna. Excellent. Now the present tense.
Present tense. Huwa yuridu, huma yuridani, hum yuriduna, hiya turidu, huma turidani, hunna yuridna, anta turidu, antuma turidani, antum turiduna, anti turidina, antuma turidani, antunna turidna, ana uridu, nahnu nuridu.
Excellent. So let me use this and explain it on the board so that everyone is clear with this. Now, when an comes with the singular forms, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, there's more than one particles which change the singular verb of the present tense from a dhamma to a fatha. At the moment is one. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in these 5, when an comes in front of the verb, the last letter will change from a dhamma to a
Fatha. Fatha.
Fatha.
Correct. Now, with the duals itself, which is this one here, this one here, this one here, turidani, turidani, and this is plural, yuriduna, turiduna, this one here, and with regards to this one here, the singular, anturidina, who is that referring to?
The noon is dropped.
Yeah, so in this one here, in this one, the noon is dropped as well. So in yuridani, the noon is dropped. Turidani, the noon is dropped. And also this one here, plural, yuriduna. In this one here, the noon is dropped when an comes. So there are only two forms of the present tense where the noon remains behind. What are they?
The masculine plural.
No, not masculine.
Feminine.
Feminine.
And yuridna and turidna.
Antum turiduna.
No, these one here.
Turidna and
Yuridna.
Antunna
and yuridna.
Yeah.
And yuridna.
Hunna yuridna and antunna turidna, because these noons here is not it's part of the actual these words are indeclinable, they do not change. So for this reason this noon remains behind, whereas the other noons they get omitted when an comes.
And what about antum, Sheikh?
Which one?
Antum
Yeah, this noon is also dropped.
Okay.
Only the plural feminine noons remains behind.
Okay.
Okay.
So sir, when the noon drops, what it becomes like the yuridani, like for example, then the noon
Yurida.
drops. Yurida, okay.
Yes.
And yuridu.
Yeah. Yes. And
then
and in
turida.
the when in the plurals in yuriduna and turiduna, once the noon is dropped, because there's a vowel after the vowel, you replace it with an alif as well.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Okay.
And turidina becomes like turidi.
Turidi, yes.
Yes. Okay, fine.
Any questions from anyone so far? Sister Zohra, is this a revision? Okay. So this handout.
Yes, sir. I'm listening. I'm just listening, Sheikh.
Okay, no problem. So this one here, you've got this handout. I've sent this handout today, and you can review it as well. And I'll send you another handout so that you can look into that as well. So give me 1 second. Let me go back to the book again. Okay, so I gave you Madha Turidu and Tashri. So we've done that. So I think the next person going to be on the mic now. Let's bring Sis Zuhra. Can I ask you to come on the mic? I know you said no, but If you feel comfortable, by all means, come in if you want to join in. Okay, let's get. Okay, that's fine. Let's bring Sister Ismat. Can I kindly ask you to come back on the mic?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, this one here. We want to sit in front of you. Read the Arabic, please.
Nuridu and Najlisi.
Najlisa.
Najlisa, I couldn't see. Sorry.
Yeah.
Nuridu and Najlisa amamaka.
I want you to say, I want to sit in front of you.
Uridu
Correct?
and ajlisu amamaka.
Ajlis. No.
And ajlis amamaka.
Ajlisa. So the last letter of Dhamma changes to a Fatah.
Oh, yes. Yeah, sorry. Can I repeat that?
Yes, go ahead.
Uridu and ajlisa.
Ajlisa, in front of you.
Amamaka. Yeah.
Amamaka, correct. I want you to now say, he wants to sit in front of you.
Okay. Yuridu and yajlisa amamaka. Yuridu.
Correct.
Amami.
Or in front of you, amamaka, or in front of me, amami. Correct. Perfect. Can I now ask Sister Sadiqa to come on the mic now?
Yes.
Sister Sadiqa, Zainab wants to cook meat. Can you read the Arabic, please, for that?
Is it in the book or just
in front of the screen? On the screen. Turidu Zainabu.
is
Can you see on the screen or not?
Turidu, yes. Turidu Zainabu and tatbukhal lahma.
Al-lahma. Okay. I want you to say Muhammad wants to cook the meat. How would you say that?
Yuridu.
Will change to Yuridu, correct?
Yuridu Muhammad an yatbakh al-lahma.
Excellent. Yuridu Muhammadun an yatbukha al-lahma. Excellent. I want you to say we want to cook meat.
Nuridu.
Yep.
Nuridu an
Yes.
natbakha lahma.
Correct. Nuridu an natbukha al-lahma. Excellent. I want you to say they all boys want to cook the meat. Hum.
Yuridu.
Plural.
Yuriduna. Hum. Do I say hum or just yuriduna?
If you say in the beginning hum yuriduna an, change the verb now.
Yuriduna an natbakhu.
No, not tabakhu. Change to yatbakhu is he is cooking. Yatbakhu, change that to plural now.
Yatbakhani.
Yatbakhan is two people. Plural is adding waw noon.
Yatbakhu.
Exactly. Drop the noon. Yuridu and yatbakhu
al-lahma.
Al-lahma. Excellent. You get familiar? You getting better? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Excellent. Let's
more
bring
practice.
More practice. No problem. Sister Butulaka, Bismillah.
Yes.
Next one. The doctor wants to return to his country.
يريد الطبيب أن يرجع إلى بلده.
I want you to say, I want to return to my country.
أريد أن أرجع إلى بلدي.
I want to go back to Iraq.
أريد أن يرجع إلى العراق.
أريد أن أرجع إلى العراق. I want you to say, she wants to go to Madina.
تريد أن تذهب إلى المدينة.
إلى المدينة. تريد أن تذهب إلى المدينة. I want you to say, we want to return to Africa.
نريد أن نرجع إلى أفريقيا.
إلى أفريقيا. I want you to say, they all boys want to go back to school.
Okay. So yuriduna an yazhabu
No,
ila
return.
sorry
Return.
yarji'u
No, not
ila
yarji'u, singular. Yarji'u is
they all
singular.
go boys, yeah?
Yes.
Yarji'u.
Correct.
I mean with waw and alif. We have to
Yarji'u,
drop
yeah.
the noon,
Yuriduna,
right? Yarji'u
yeah.
ila madras. You said school?
Yeah, ila al-madrasa.
Ila madrasa. Yeah.
Excellent. Any question from anyone? Sister Munira, Sister Mukarrama? Any of the other sisters got any questions?
No,
Yes, sir.
thank
Can
you.
we
It was
add
very nice practice.
Yes, yes. For very nice students, very nice practice.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You explained as well.
Sheikh, can we
Jazakallah.
say he? Can we say huwa yuridu?
Huwa
Or
yuridu, yeah.
just we can say the pronoun and then the verb?
Yeah, you could say huwa. You could say huwa yuridu and yarja. Correct. You could say that way as well.
Okay.
You can say that way. Right. There's no need for that. But if you wanted to, you can do it that way. That's fine. Right. Okay. Let's now read the lesson. And then inshallah, once you've done this lesson, second round, we'll go for it. Now let me bring Sister Zuhra, are you available to read?
I will try, Sheikh.
Yes, go ahead.
Wait.
Should I make it bigger?
Yes, I can't do it because I'm on my phone.
Is that okay or too small still? If it's difficult, then I'll get
No, I won't be able to read on this.
okay.
No, I won't be able to read, Sheikh.
Okay, no problem, no problem. That's fine. Okay, Sister Butul Laka, can you read, please?
Yes. Okay. In this lesson, we learned the following. How to say in Arabic, I want to go. The Arabic for this is Uridu an azhaba. It literally means I want that I go. Note that azhaba is mansub, that is, it has a ending, and this is caused by the preceding particle an. Here are some more examples. Do you want to eat? Aturidu an ta'kula? What do you want to drink? ماذا تريد أن تشرب? We want to sit in front of you. نريد أن نجلس أمامك. Zainab wants to cook meat. تريد زينب أن تطبخ اللحم. The doctor wants to return to his country. يريد الطبيب أن يرجع إلى بلده. Number 2. How to say in Arabic, I study Arabic to understand the Quran. The Arabic for this is أدرس اللغة العربية لأفهم القرآن. لام التعليل. This lam is called, the note that the mudari afham is mansub, that is, it has a ending, and that is because of the preceding lam. This
Okay,
lam is called lam ta'lil.
Yeah, so what's happening here is that sometimes you have two verbs, and the first verb is being done in order to achieve the second verb. So, adrusu al-lughat al-arabiyya. What is the reason for you studying Arabic language? Now, you sometimes bring this lam with a kasra, and this lam with a kasra, when it comes in front of the present tense, like an, it changes the last letter of the present tense verb to mansub. So, adrusu al-lughat al-arabiyya li afhama al-Qur'ana. So, in order, this word ta'lil means reason. Lam ta'lil means the causative lam, meaning it explains the reason why the first verb is being undertaken by the student himself or the person himself. Is that clear for you, Sister Sadiqa and Sister Ismat?
Yes.
It's called li
Can
afhama.
you please repeat?
Sorry?
We don't
Can
mind.
you
Yeah.
repeat? It was just too fast.
Okay. So what he's trying to say, أدرس اللغة العربية. I am studying what? What are you studying?
Arabic.
Arabic
Arab.
language. Why are you studying Arabic language?
To know the Quran.
Exactly. So the word afhamu, I am understanding. So before the verb afhamu, you bring a lam with a kasra, and this lam with a kasra explains why you are studying the Arabic language. So this is called lamut ta'lil. Adrusu al-lughat al-arabiyya. I am studying the Arabic language. Why? This lam with a kasra in front of the present tense comes and it
Li.
changed the last letter from a dhamma to a fatha. Li'afhama al-Qur'ana. Al-Qur'ana is coming with a fatha because it is the object of what I am wanting to understand. Is this clear now for you?
Yes.
So this lam is added to the present tense verb. And before this verb, when the lam with a kasra comes with a present tense verb, there must be another verb in front of it. Adrosu.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Sister Ismat, is that clear for you as well?
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Sister Batul, can you finish off this
Yeah,
one here and then I
yeah.
get
Here are some more examples. ذهبت إلى الحمام لأغسل وجهي. I went to the bathroom to wash my face.
So what do you do to that?
فتحت.
No, so,
Yeah.
so the other way
Yeah.
of knowing, whether this the verb لأغسل وجهي is called لام التعليل, the lam for the reason. You could always ask a question. لماذا ذهبت إلى الحمام? لماذا ذهبت إلى الحمام? Why did you do the
Why did
action
you
of
go to
going?
the washroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
you
why
know
is the
لأغسل.
li is the answer? Yeah, the
Exactly.
li, we use li an article.
Exactly. لأغسل is coming as an answer for the first verb. ذهبت إلى الحمام. Why? لأغسل وجهي. To wash my
Okay. Face.
face.
My face. Second example, فتحت النافذة يخرج الذباب. I opened the window so that the flies may go out.
Excellent.
خلقنا الله تعالى لنعبده. Allah has created us so that we may worship Him.
Excellent.
لنعبده, so that we may worship Him.
Correct. So in the
Shall I
question is
continue?
yes. لماذا خلق الله? لماذا خلقنا الله? لماذا خلقنا الله? Why Allah has created
Why
us?
Allah created us.
لنعبده.
لنعبده.
Correct.
Number 3, يمكن, it is possible. أيمكنني أن أجلس هنا? May I sit here? Literally, it is possible for me that I sit here. So then second is نعم يمكنك أن تجلس. Yes, you may sit. لا يمكنه أن يخرج الآن. He cannot go out now.
So here now, in this point number 3, now sometimes you use the word urido and sometimes we use the word is it possible. So this verb yumkinu means it is it possible? Is it possible? They wrote it is. That's wrong. You should write is it possible. So how this verb comes, yumkinu. After yumkinu, what are the attached pronouns? What are the attached pronouns?
Ka, ki, kum.
Exactly. So Sister Akila, come on the mic for a second, please.
Yes, Sheikh.
Now, I want you to, is it possible? I want you to, now what happens here? Can you see this here? Ayumkino ni. So which pronoun is this? Who is this referring to?
I.
Exactly.
Na, ana.
Let me just go back to it.
Ni, that ni.
Sorry. Let me go back to it. I've just gone a bit too far. Yeah, ni is ana. So here you've said, so you add always after yumkino, present tense verb, you will add a pronoun after it to make a sentence. Ayumkinoni, and whatever pronoun you attach after it, the same person would be addressed with the verb. An ajlisa. Who is this person? An ajlisa.
I. Ana.
Exactly. So because it's ayumkinoni, so be an ajlisa huna. Ayumkinoni an ajlisa huna. I want you to now, sister, say, Akila, is it possible for me to eat here?
To eat.
Yeah. Ya
Okay.
akala yakolo. Ayumkinoni.
Ayumkinoni an akula.
Yep.
Huna.
Excellent. Ayumkinoni an akula huna. Excellent. Next question. Is it possible for me to talk? No. Drink. Is it possible for me to drink here?
Ayumkinoni an ashriba. Huna.
Ashraba and
Ashraba.
ashraba huna.
Ashraba. Not ashriba.
Shariba yashrabu.
Ashrab. Okay.
Yeah, and ashraba huna. Excellent. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Let's bring next person on the mic. Sister Ismat, can I ask you to come on the mic? Now, next question here is Naam yumkinuka an tajlisa. What does this mean?
Yes, you may sit. Naam, yes. Yumkinuka an ajlisa. Okay.
An tajlisa.
An tajlis. Naam. Yumkinuka an tajlisa, yes. So,
Okay. If you're talking to a female, yumkinuka, ka is for masculine, change that to female. Is it so? If, for example, Sister Akila, come on the mic. If you say to her, "Is it possible for me to sit here?" How would you respond to Sister Akila? Sister
okay. Naam tumkinuki.
and Naam yumkinuki. Excellent.
Is it a female, you said?
Yes,
So
female.
is it not
So
is it not tumki to?
no,
Female.
ka is for masculine. Ki is
Ki
correct.
for
Yeah.
yeah.
Naam yumkinuki. Change the verb. So tajlisu is anta. Change that to anti.
Yajlisi.
No, tajlisu, tajlisani, tajlisuna. Anti, tajli,
Si.
tajlisi. It should have been
Tajlisi.
tajlisina. The noon is dropped and becomes an tajlisi.
With a yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Naam yumkinuki an tajlisi huna. Excellent. Next one. La.
يمكنه أن تخرج الآن. لا يمكنه. He cannot go out. He cannot go out now.
I want you to say she cannot go out now. How would you say that?
لا يمكنك لا يمكنه.
No, the who, change that to her.
Ah, yes. I'm just forgetting this
No,
holidays.
fine. I think that this is the first phase of this lesson, so no problem, make mistakes.
Okay, thank you. You're very kind. لا يمكنها
Excellent.
أن تخرج الآن.
لا يمكنها أن تخرج الآن. Excellent. Right, perfect. Now, can you kindly read from point number 4? Mundo.
Okay.
Go ahead, sister.
Okay. Munzu is a preposition meaning since. Oh my God. Munzu is.
Yeah, ما رأيت. Next page.
ما رأيت منذ يوم السبت. I have not seen him since Saturday.
Excellent.
You want me to change it to something?
No. So what it's trying to say how to use it. Whenever mundo comes, the noun after it always takes a kasra.
Ah, okay.
Mundo
Okay.
and say yomi asabti.
Sabti.
Mundo, yeah. It's like the word inda. So it comes as mudaf ilay. So that's the reason why Yomi, Mundo is mudaf, Yomi is mudaf ilay, and as-sabti is coming as mudaf ilay to Yom again. Continue.
Bilalun khaibun munzu asbu'in. Bilal
Usbu.
is asbu'in. Bilal is absent since 1 week.
Number 5.
Khaibun, and then it's munzu and the yeah, okay.
Yeah, here, Mundo usbu'in. Mundo is mudaf, usbu'in is mudaf ilay.
Mudaf ilay. Okay. It takes a kasratain.
Yeah.
Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
If the fa'il is feminine, the verb should also be feminine. Example, Dakhala Muhammadun. Muhammad entered. Dakhalat Aminatu. Amina entered. Yadrusu Ibrahimu lughata al-maniyata. Ibrahim is studying German. Watadrusu Maryamu al-lughata Faransiya. And Maryam is studying French.
Excellent.
If the fa'il is the female of human beings or animals, the verb should be feminine. If it is not so, the verb may be feminine. Example, kharajatil bakaratu, the cow went out. But kharaja sayyaratu or kharajati sayyaratu. Didn't see the difference. Kharaja sayyaratu, car went out.
Yeah, kharajat is feminine and kharaja is masculine.
Kharaja sayyaratu or kharajat sayyaratu. So kharaja here, what does it refer to? Kharaja is a male.
No, it says when it's non-human, then you can use
either. Okay. Yes, it's coming back now.
That is why.
That is why we have in the lesson Bakia salasatu dakika. There are 3 minutes more and not bakiyat. Okay. Bakia salasu dakika. There are other details which we'll learn later, inshallah. Samaha lahu bil khuruj. He permitted him to leave. Ismahu li. Ismah li bil julusi huna. Permit me to sit here. Ismah li bil julusi huna. Permit me to sit here. Sorry, I'm repeating. La asmahu laka bidukhuli. I don't permit you to enter. La, okay. La asmahu laka bidukhuli. So samaha is to permit. Huh?
Yep.
I thought it was to forgive sama.
La samahallah. May Allah not permit him.
Oh, okay.
So the word jaza yajuzu means to allow, and this is I do not permit.
Yeah.
La. And arju means I.
Arju means I request. Arju.
Yeah, this is inshallah in the next 4 days' time. You recite Dua Rajabi. Ya man arjuhu li kulli khayr. Ya man arjuhu li kulli khayr. Oh, in whom a person has all of his hope. Ya man arjuhu li kulli khayr. From whom we have hope for all goodness. We recite this Dua Rajabiya. Ya man arjuhu li kulli khayr amanuhu. And so forth. So this arju, raja, yarju, I've sent this already in the group itself. The verb conjugation. Right. Can I ask Sister Sadiqa to do the vocab, and then I'll bring someone else to do the lesson. Bismillah, sister.
Utlatu, holiday. Sha'an, supper. Next year, al-amul muqbilu. Ilajun, treatment. Arju, I request. Az-zubabu, flies. Ba'aka, yab, suku, to spit. Egypt, Misr. Sama'a, yasma'u, to permit. I'lanu, public announcement. Bada'an, bayda'u, to commence. Ahlun, people. Amkana, yumkinu, to be able. Zarfu, envelope. Bakiya, yabka, to remain. Zawza'u, noise. Al-kharifu, autumn. Asata'u, winter. Raja, yarju, to request. As-saifu, summer. Al-rabi'u, spring.
Excellent. Right. Can I request Sister Zora, would you be able to read the lesson, or is it too difficult for you to read?
I can't read. It's too small and I don't have my book.
Okay. Okay, let me make it as big as possible. Okay, let's bring, can I request Sister Butul with Sister Akila to come on the mic?
Yes, sure.
So Sister Butul become Mudarris, and Sister Akila will answer you, reply to you. Go ahead. Sister Butul and Sister Akila, go ahead.
Sister Batur, she's starting.
Yeah.
Sister Butul, are you there?
Can I start?
Yes, go ahead, start.
Yeah, I'm there now. Okay. Okay. So Al-Mudarrisu lima kharajta min al-fasli ya Ammaru. The teacher, why did you leave from the class, or why did you exit from the classroom, ya Ammar, O Ammar?
خرجت لأشرب الماء. I exited to drink water.
So you see like kharajtu li ashraba al ma'a. So lima, can you remember what I said to you in the actual points to remember? You could all, if you want to understand lamu ta'lil, this lam which is coming with the present tense, you could make a question. Lima kharajta min al fasl ya Ammar. He says kharajtu li ashraba al ma'a.
Because I wanted to drink
Exactly.
water.
Because I exited because I wanted to drink water. So explain why you left the class. Excellent.
Walima kharaja Yasirun ma'aka. And why did Yasir leave with you?
هو خرج ليغسل وجهه. He exited because he wanted to wash his face.
Yes, يغسل وجهه, in order to, or you could say in order, because, or in order to wash his face.
Humayun. Ya Ustazu, ana uridu an ajlisa huna amamak. Oh teacher, I want to sit here in front of you. Mak'adi ba'idun anka. My seat is far from you. ومن هناك لا أرى ما تكتب على السبورة. And from there, I can't see what you write on the blackboard.
يمكنك أن تجلس هنا الآن. Is it possible for you to sit here now?
Excellent.
It's not a question. It's not a question, right?
It's not a question,
is
yeah.
possible.
It's a sentence.
So it is possible.
It is possible for you to sit here now.
Okay. هذا مقعد حمزة. This is Hamza's place. وهو غائب منذ أسبوع. He is absent since a week.
Excellent.
اسمعوا يا أبنائي. Listen, my sons.
Oh, my sons, yep.
Oh, my sons. تبدأ عطلة الصيف بعد شهر.
تبدأ عطلة الصيف. Summer vacation is going to start after a month.
Okay. The summer vacation is starting
after a month.
After a month.
Yeah.
أين تذهبون في هذه العطلة? Are you going?
Where? أين? Where?
Where are you going in this holiday?
نريد أن نذهب إلى بلادنا. We want to go to our country or to our country.
أين تريد أن تذهب أنت يا هاشم? Where do you want to go, O Hashim?
أريد أن أذهب إلى مصر.
Thank you,
I
sister.
want to go to Misr, Egypt.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Sister Akilan, Sister Batul. And can I request Sister Sadiqa and Sister Isma to come on the mic?
Okay.
Over here. Sister Isma, start from here. Uridu.
Where are we? أريد. Okay. هاش. أريد أن أذهب إلى مصر. I want to go to Misr, to Egypt.
لما تريد أن تذهب إلى مصر? Why do you want to go Egypt?
أريد أن أذهب إلى مصر لأزور أخي الذي يدرس في جامعة الأزهر. I want to go to Misr to visit my brother who is studying in the University of Azhar.
Excellent.
وأين تريد أن أنت يا يوسف? And where do you want to go, oh Yusuf?
وأين تريد أن تذهب؟ أن تذهب أنت يا يوسف.
أن تذهب, oh Yusuf.
Correct.
أريد أن أذهب إلى London. I wish to go to London.
Correct.
ألا تريد أن تذهب إلى بلدك? Do you not want to go to your country?
نعم، لا أريد أن أذهب إلى بلدي هذه السنة. Yes, I wish I don't. I
No,
wish
don't.
to.
Naam, this yes. I do not
La,
want
okay.
to go.
Yes, yes. I do not wish to go to my country this year, this summer. أريد أن أذهب إلى لندن لأدرس لغة إنجليزية هناك. I wish to go to London to study English language there.
Yep.
لا يمكنك أن تدرس اللغة الإنجليزية في بلدك. Is it not possible to study English language in your country?
نعم، لا يمكنني ذلك لأن أهل بلدي يدرسون اللغة الفرنسية ولا يدرسون اللغة الإنجليزية. Yes, it's not possible there to الآن أهل بلدي in my country. I mean, it's not possible there to learn.
لا يمكنني ذلك. That is not possible.
That is not
for
possible.
me because people of my country, they are studying French language and they are not studying English language.
English, yeah, okay.
في أي كلية تريد أن تدرس في العام
أن
تدرس في العام مقبل يا مروان. Oh Marwan, in which college do you want to study in your country?
You know, in coming year, في العام المقبل, in the coming year.
In the coming year.
أريد أن أدرس في كلية الشريعة. I want to study in the coming year about law, I think. Sharia law?
Yeah, correct.
في أي كلية تريد أن تدرس أنت يا موسى? In which college do you want to study, oh Musa?
لا يمكنني أن أدرس بالجامعة في العام مقبل. No, I do not. يمكن, there is. I do not wish. I mean,
لا يمكنني, it is not possible.
It is not possible to study in the in the university in
The coming year.
Amil Mukbili. This Amil Mukbili next is it
academic
next year? Yeah,
Next
coming year.
academic year.
ذلك لأنني مريض. ذلك لأنني مريض. I'm sick. I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
that
sick.
is because I am sick.
That's
and
because
I
I'm
want to
sick.
go.
أريد أن أذهب إلى الولاية متحدة العلاج.
I want to go to US for
For treatment, I think.
correct.
Shafa Allah. May Allah,
Shafakallah.
may Allah give you cure.
Want it?
يا أستاذ يكاد الجرس يرن. Oh, teacher, I don't know what this means.
Ya Ustado, oh teacher,
Yeah,
the bell is about to ring.
the bell is about to ring. أرجو أن تسمح لنا بالخروج الآن قبل أن يخرج الطلاب آخرون. أرجو, I wish أن تسمح you. I request you listen. Tasmaha.
To permit us.
Samha is permit, isn't it?
Yeah, to permit us to leave now.
Now, before yakhruja tulabu, before yakhruja, before the
other students leave.
For other students. Okay.
Yeah.
Bakia salasu دقائق يمكنكم
الخروج
الآن. اخرجوا بهدوء.
Correct.
3 minutes are left. It is possible for you to leave now. Leave calmly.
Leave calmly. Excellent. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Inshallah, I hope that was useful and the exercises were good in the points to remember so that you understand this lesson. Any questions or everything okay?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alhamdulillah.
Brilliant. Okay, that's fine. So just practice the lesson and also do the exercises, and inshallah 6, 7, 8. No, I'll finish this inshallah before Sha'ban, inshallah, this book. There's only a few lessons left. Inshallah, definitely we can finish this before Sha'ban. Okay, Jazakumullah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Inshallah, please do the
Thank you, Sheikh, for reading me. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So, dua, inshallah, I'll see you next lesson as well.
Yeah.
If anyone wants to join the next class, I've got a next class in about 2 minutes' time. That's